girls in the playground. Just a few statements to make. In the hurricane in Florida, I'm praying for you, so let's just take a deep moment to pray. Okay, mate, I prayed. I'm sorry for anybody that is in Florida right now. In Australia, we have really high winds. You guys freaking messed up my day, bro. So let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, we're gonna be trolling some kids, mate. Oh gosh, these high winds, bro. Oh, these high winds. Okay, let's go, mate. Would the high winds make me do this? The answer is yes. Let's go, mate.
Had my first kiss in pre-K. So that right there was, they were saying I had my first kiss. So I said I had my first kiss in pre-K.
Alright, mate. Let's look for our target. Those kids over there, zoom in on. I'm sorry, she's raging. She must be on something.
Crack.
Right, mate, let's go. Okay, mate, today I'm going to teach you how to do some parkour. We're going to get on there, and then to the top, mate. Okay.
I honestly believe Batman's better.
Oh, okay.
They're not much better than Superman.
Hey, you want to troll little kids with us? We're making a video for YouTube for it. Do you?
What are we doing?
Trolling little kids.
Oh, showing little kids is my favorite thing to do. This.
All right, so we have a new person with our group. What's your name?
Max.
Okay. So he's gonna be Batman. He's Superman, and I'm Wonder Woman. He has this Australian voice, and he was like, "Oh, these high winds," and he was falling on the ground.
Wait, me?
No, he was. Dude, I can't jump from there. Let's just
Walk, mate.
start trolling little kids. Go troll some little kids.
Huh?
Go troll some little kids.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you were jumping from the ground. I can jump from there.
Look, I'm smart. I think this is
If there's a little kid,
So little kid right there.
slide, we're going to go use the old tactic.
Our last video, we scared little kids at the slide, and this kid started chasing us.
Oh no, mate. The big kids are over there.
The big kids.
I'm too scared.
Too scared.
Okay, now let's watch some more parkour. Those high winds, mate. Dang, push me down.
No
bro.
hurricane Florida. In Florida.
Yeah.
He's acting like there's high winds
Oh,
over here.
mate.
I want to try to do some like stupid, crazy parkour in the middle of a hurricane. Because just to be a
Menda.
Mate. The hot
What did you do? Fight a kangaroo?
kids don't do parkour.
We need to do a parkour challenge. Alright, say bye to the viewers.
Alright, mate. Arms that grills in the wall. And peace.